Well, it's that time of the week again, Time Trial Tuesday. So we're going to have a look at what we fancy having a go at now. So we're not doing one fast lap. We're trying to do consistent laps by doing the time trial. So I think we're going to pick Formula Ford 1600. That's what I'm going to try. So I'm going to try the Formula Ford 1600 around Alton Park. So let's click on that. And then we go to More Ways to Race. And let's do a time trial. So a little bit of a delay. It takes a couple of minutes, I found, to then get the option to join. But we'll join now. We'll let it load up, and I'll see you on the grid.
For this time trial, you must complete 5 clean laps to set an official time.
Okay, here we are then. So we've got to do 5 clean laps. We've got 30 minutes. The clock's already started. So let's get on with it. Okay. I know Alton Park, so that's fine. Should be able to find my way around. And 5 clean laps. Now, I think last week I said it was any 5 clean laps, didn't have to be in a row. Others have said it has to be in a row. So we did it in a row anyway, but I couldn't see where it was written. But if someone could just tell me, that would be helpful. But let's get going. So it's important to start strong, I guess, isn't it, really? Do some decent laps early on, if I can. So I'm just fresh into this, as you can see. So I will be a bit slow, I think, the first couple of laps. There are a while since I've been around Alton in the Formula Ford. A while since I've driven the Formula Ford, actually. I'm doing a lot of Formula V racing, which I've really enjoyed. I don't think tyres are still a bit cold, so I don't want to go off. I don't know if second's better. We'll see. I'll do as many laps as I can safely. I'm sure we'll get quicker. Yeah, we'll be quicker through there. So we're very slow through there. I found doing this is a good discipline just for not chasing just a single lap, but also not throwing it off every corner. You know, I know I've got to keep it clean. So it's good when you're in a race and you don't want too many X's. This is a good practice for that. Saying that, I'll probably go off at some point. I hope not, but you never know. I do like Alton Park. It's a lovely place. Lovely place to go in real life as well. Watched some racing up here a few times. And it's my side of the country now where I've moved to, so maybe I'll go one day. Yeah, that's the first lap then.
48.86.
What was that? 48.86. I don't know if that's good or not. Probably not. I'm sure 45s is where I need to be. We are going a bit quicker this lap. We've got a bit more grip this time. Yeah, a little bit. I think second is fine around here. The drive coming out. There we go. Oh, even slower through there that time, blimey. Not good. Let's take a lot of concentration, this. So, a bit quicker this lap. Second quicker, look at that.
47.765. New fastest lap for you.
Quick around that bit as well. So we're getting down to a better time now, I think. If we can get the chicane right. Yeah, I think 45s is probably where the quick guys are going to be. I don't think I'm going to get there this time. Maybe give myself a few days of testing and practice I might do, but not today, I don't think. Bit quicker. Another second then, by the looks of it. Yeah, quicker again. I guess the tyres are getting a bit better. A bit of fuel's coming off as well. And I'm driving a bit better. Yeah, lots of sliding tyres.
.49. New fastest lap for you.
It's not too far off the 45s actually, are we? I don't know what our best ever lap round here is. There was a time when I was driving this car quite regularly, but haven't done it recently. I need to get back into it, and I do enjoy it. It's a great car. Haven't quite got that right, I don't think. Be braking too late into the corner, or in the mid corner. Better again. Probably getting down to where I can get to. So I've lost a bit of time there, so I can go a bit quicker than this lap probably. But we're getting towards my limit, I think.
46.
My safe limit anyway.
5-3. New fastest lap for you.
Slow through that. So many places at Alton you can have off tracks. I've got to be careful. I'm probably running at like maybe 95% of my limit. I think that's probably what I'd say. I'm not taking too many risks because I want to have clean laps. It is costing me just a little bit, I think. Okay, so that was a bit better. I just kept the brakes on that time, so I was going slower mid-corner. Yeah, it's helped coming up the hill, hasn't it? So if we don't lose the time that we lost last time on that final corner, then we should be quicker this lap. that's all I can ask for, really. Just keep going quicker. Here we go. That was the time we lost last time. Nearly into the 45s. Okay, so we've set an official time, so we'll do some more.
46.0.
We'll do some more laps to try and bring the average down if we can. We're going like 2 seconds a lap quicker than we were at the start. I can afford to take a bit more risk now, because I've got my official time. It'd be nice to get this lap in, really, and then maybe take a bit more risk. Yeah, getting into a bit of a flow now. Yeah. Pushing a bit more now. This is where incidents can occur. We'll be into the 45s then. I didn't think we'd get anywhere near that, to be honest. So I'm surprised at that. Just a little bit of time up there. We're into the 45s. I'll keep going. I'll keep pushing until I make a mistake, I think.
3-3. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Using a bit more of the track now. Yeah, using a bit more. Can I go a bit quicker around here, I wonder? A little bit. And the power a bit sooner. I lost a bit of time there. We were 0.3 up, weren't we? I won't try and get it all back in one corner, because that's a recipe for disaster. We've got some of it back. Bit quicker up there. Getting close to the 44s now, aren't we?
45.036. That was your fastest lap of the session.
45.0. Bit slower this lap. Can I make that up again? Don't think so. We'll keep going though, because my average will still be coming down, I think. It's not too far off our best lap. Off track. Okay, that's it then. We'll stop. We'll stop then. Okay. Let's have a look at what we've done. Okay then, so let's have a look at our results. Go down to results and stats. last thing we did, time trial. That's what we're looking for. We'll have a look at the results. So we've managed a best lap of 45 flat, best 5-lap average 45.8. So I guess we could have got down at that a bit further, but if you look across all the laps, the average was 46.5. So we did more than 5 laps. So best lap average 45.8. So let's see where that puts us in the season standings then. So we view season standings. So this is just the championship standings. But if we look up here and we go to time trial results, we'll see where we are. Right. Okay. So average 45.4. And what were we? 46. I've forgotten. 40. What were we? I have to go back. I need to remember it. 45.872. Remember that. 45.872. So we're back to time trials. So we were 45.872. So we're here. We're third then. So we're third. So that's not bad. Happy with that. How many people have done it? Looks like 10. Okay, so I'm third out of 10. Give it a go. It's not as easy as I make it look, but then I was going relatively slowly. I think I could have got down. I think I could have been first. I could have got down to an average below there if I kept on going. But yeah, it's not as easy as it looks. Give it a go. It's a good discipline, good practice. It makes you really think about what's important in a race, which is not 1 lap pace. It's about consistently keeping it on the track. And obviously racecraft is a whole other thing, but at least keeping it consistently on the track and fast is important. Okay, right. Well, that's it for this week. We'll try something else next week, but yeah, you've got a week to get on there and let us know how you're getting on. Okay. Hopefully, I'll see you next time at the track.